Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this set here. This is the ZOMAKE Bootjack for cowboy boots, for example. For work boots, for rubber boots, for leather boots. It's a Shoehorn 7.3 inches. It's a Shoehorn helper for boots and shoes, of course. This is a really cool stuff which can help you in a lot of daily activities. This is a Bootjack, sometimes known as a boot pull. This is a small tool that aids in the removal of boots. It consists of a U-shaped mount that grips the heel of the boot and the flat area to which the weight can be applied with the opposite foot. Foot. To operate it, the user places the heel of the boot in the mouth of the jack. It stands on the back of the device with the other foot and pulls his foot free of the front boot. The process is then repeated to remove the other boot. The Bootjack has also several advantages over the removal of boots by hand, by allowing the wearer to pull their foot straight up and out of the boot, and by using the full body weight to hold the boot in place. That means it helps you easy peasy remove your shoes. Oh, that's cool. These Bootjack are made from the latest heavy-duty plastic design, strong, sturdy, and versatile. That's not prone to deformation and breakage. The Bootjack have the latest design with the wide U-shaped slots and a non-slip rubber construction. This Bootjack can be used in a variety of outdoor situations and are a great helper in our lives. This boot remover also is suitable for the most types of boots, including man's boots, work boots, woman's boots, and children's boots, and so on. These Bootjacks are waterproof and easy to clean. With this boot remover, we have an excellent partner in our life. The Bootjack is very easy to use because the pull out of cowboy boots and other boots without bending down. It used the Bootjack to easily help to remove the boots without bending down when taking off the boots. And it used the Shoehorn, because this is included, to easily help to put on our shoes when putting on our shoes, of course. This improving the efficiency of our life and freeing up our hands. And the same is possible with nearly every kind of shoes out there. This is a cool stuff to help you to with your shoes. Get them shoes into position and use this Bootjack to come out of the boots. And you can use the Shoehorn to get into your boots. Easy peasy, baby. This is the ZOMAKE Bootjack for our boots. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.